don't think you guys can hear me, but I'm talking, so hopefully you guys can hear me. This morning adventure, we are in Madrid, a full day in Madrid, and we are heading to the Real Madrid football stadium. Now, Tyler doesn't know this, it's a surprise for him. He's a big Mbappé fan, he's a big Real Madrid fan, and he had no idea that's where we're heading. So we let him put on his Mbappé shirt this morning, and we're heading to the stadium. So I want to see his face when he found out that that's where he's going. I think Babe told him that we're going close to it, but we won't go inside it. But that's not true because we bought the tickets last night and we're going to explore the stadium inside. He's going to be ecstatic. So it's a huge surprise for Tyler. It's a big deal for Tyler, and he's going to be so excited. So let's go on today's first leg of the adventure. This is just the beginning of the first full day in Madrid. So there he is. Hi, Tyler. Ah, you have to look. What's wrong? So why are you so serious? He's too cute. We have no idea where we're going. So let's go give him a surprise. Ready, Sarah, for the first leg of the adventure? Yes. All right, let's go do it.
Where are we going?
When we get here, you'll see. One thing though with Madrid in comparison to Barcelona is Madrid bring the architecture of the buildings. You don't really see much of that in Barcelona. The buildings, the road, wide, yeah, small. Madrid bring the architecture. When we arrived in Barcelona, I was saying that the architecture is not really there in the immediate first glance of the Europe architecture that you're used to. But here in Madrid, it's top notch. The building top notch. I'll show you guys some more when we get back. But it's
like opposition like in France, Paris and Marseille.
Yeah.
Madrid and Marseille and Barcelona. They are the two biggest cities. Very different.
But I was expecting Barcelona to be more of that vibe that Madrid is giving, because to me it's more famous. Yeah.
Madrid is a capital that's most populated.
Madrid is
less cool. It's just different. Maybe you will be
different.
better in Barcelona in terms of
Cost.
yeah, in terms of exposure.
Madrid so far is amazing. Tyler, where are you, Ty?
Madrid.
Yeah. So that's Tyler's dream, the stadium. If you're not cool, you can. If you're not, don't step in the water.
There's two big stadium at Madrid.
Oh,
Because
but
there's two
what's
big
the
team at
difference between this one? Real Madrid. Look over there. It's written on the.
Madrid. Two Bernabeu. Big tickets. Mama. Mama.
Yes.
You going to go to Jamaica?
Not soon in April. What you doing, babe?
With you. Can I go with you to Jamaica? And look.
He doesn't know. He doesn't know. He just shows the window. He said, "Go and buy. We can go buy ticket over there." He still have no idea that he's going in. Look at him. He's begging to go in. Tickets, tour.
To go online.
Oh. Tyler, you want to take a picture right here? Take off your sweater. Take his sweater, honey. Turn and look at the stadium. Go forward, forward. Come, Sarah, wait. Stay right there. Don't move. He doesn't know that he's going in. Tell him. Tell him. Papa buy the ticket last night, Ty. You're going in. You're going in, Ty. So you can't stop shows to go buy a ticket. What time? Come. Better living his best life. Welcome to Real Madrid, the best club in the world. So we've entered the chat inside. Zidane. The Frenchie. Zinedine. Zidane. Oh wow, Tyler, look. Inside the stadium is just absolutely exceptional. The trophies are beautiful in here. Absolutely beautiful. They have so many trophies on top of trophies. Look at that. Look at this trophy. When your club is great, this is the look of greatness.
Wow, what is it for?
These are called Ballon d'Or, golden ball that players get at the end of each year. I'm coming. A big deal to Tyler, so he's excited to look at them all. And another trophy stand, and majority of what's in here is Ronaldo, Cristiano Ronaldo. This guy was really great. When you see all these trophies and all these accomplishments, you have to give your props to Ronaldo for sure if you're a football fan. What she said, she want Mbappé? Tell her finally get to see the Mbappé. Turn around. Mbappé. Look at Sarah.
Look at the big ears.
My boy make it to the stadium. We're inside. Alright, come.
I'm not the 10.
Okay, so Tyler get a picture with the boss. And we got a family photo with the cup. And this is where we pause for lunch. Lunchtime at Burger King never fails. Alright, you guys, we finished the Real Madrid Stadium tour, and now where we're heading, babe? We're going to some park. I don't know what it's called. But when we get there, we'll figure it out. It's a garden park, so we're on the bus right now, and that's where we're heading. Ready?
Yes.
Yes. Excited? Yeah? Look at that.
My doll.
Oh, this doll is scary. Ah!
The prisoner.